Hello, I'm Joyce and welcome to my YouTube channel. You probably came across Kala Health and Wellness because you're looking to start or refresh your healthy habits. That is amazing and I applaud you for taking the time to make time for yourself. Please keep going with that, and if you need help along the way, I'm here to support you. My health and wellness journey started back in 2015. And it was a really tough time in my life where I felt trapped in all aspects. But I started to cook healthier meals, practice yoga and meditation, see a therapist for the very first time, and lean on my family for support. All of that has saved my life. So if you're watching this and you were there for me during my dark days, I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Going through all that helped me realize that everyone deserves to be happy and healthy, including me. And thankfully, my journey has led me to become a certified health coach. And in the last 5 years, I've coached folks beyond weight loss, and I'm really proud of that. I also worked in healthcare, where I educated patients about basic chronic disease prevention like high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, anxiety and depression, and also addressed their social determinants of health. That experience is invaluable to me because I can truly meet people where they're at with cultural sensitivity in mind. So when people work with me, they're able to show up for themselves and their communities like they've never had before. That said, every Wednesday, you guys, you can expect easy cooking videos with basic nutrition tips, as well as an exploration of new ingredients and cultures, including mine, which is a Filipino culture. So remember, it's important to be kind, curious, and try new things. If any of this sounds valuable to you, that's great. That's awesome. Thank you. Please subscribe or hit the little bell next to it to stay updated on future videos. So thanks for listening and getting to know a little bit about me, and let this sink in. You deserve to be happy and healthy.